Good day everyone. Ito na naman po tayo sa ating vlog. Maglalakad-lakad po kami sa siyudad ng Melbourne. At ayan po ang mga outfit check. Outfit check muna tayo. Outfit check.
Outfit check, mag-iwan na tayo ng plane. Minutes lang na.
Now at Flinders Station, guys. It's a beautiful day to just tour around, grab your family, and just go outside. Just enjoy the weather. And yes, we are on Flinders station, train station. And you know what, guys? Public transport here is free. Train, bus, free po lahat. Yeah, that's the good thing about Melbourne. Ay, Philippines. What happened to you? See? We're out na sa Flinders station, train station. And look at the weather. Look. Hey. And we have tram here, like small train. And it's free also. All the public transport here are free. What's the good thing about Melbourne? Since yung petrol is too expensive now. So it's been like couple months, I think, na free ang public transport. I'll show you one more thing. We're going to get free cheese toasty. Cheese toasty. Only for free. See, they're giving it for free. Where can you find that? They're giving it for free. See guys, what do we get? What did we get today?
It's toasty. And fish cakes.
3 chips.
And more biscuits.
We got a lot of free public transport, free food, and it's such a beautiful weather. See, after we get food for free, now I'm thirsty. And look,
The line dancing is different to Irish dancing. Yeah, that's true. Line dancing is like more American. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
there's a water drinking fountain everywhere. Hello again. So today po, papasok kami sa building na yun. It's called Shrine of Remembrance. And let's see what's inside. Nanonood po kami ng sine. Ayan. Sine. Big screen.
Some sites owe their titles to the danger they posed. Dead Man's Ridge, Holy, Holly Ridge, Daisy Patch, the Wheatfield.
And you know what's the good thing here? Free ulit to. Itong pagpasok namin sa museum na to. Free din. See? And let's see the view sa taas ng museum. Let's see what's on the top of this museum. And andito na po kami sa top ng museum before. Look at that. That's we were walking before. The entrance all the way there. And now we're here on top of this building, the Shrine of Remembrance. Can you see my view? Yeah, that's Melbourne City. So maganda po yung panahon ngayon and we're just enjoying the view and the weather. Hello! Thank you for watching. That's it. Did you guys enjoy? CJ, what's your favorite part of the day? Sleeping. Ano nga ang favorite mo? Ha? Yung museum? Museum, ikaw kuya? Museum din. Museum. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.
See you.